Waiting for that Cash App verification email but nothing showing up? Here's how to fix that fast. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Sometimes the Cash App verification mail may not arrive promptly or at all. This can happen due to several reasons such as email filters, incorrect addresses, or network issues. So follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check spam, junk, and promotions. Search all your email folders for messages from Cash App. Step 2. Confirm your email address. For that, verify the email address entered in your Cash App settings is correct or not. Step 3 is resend the verification email. Open Cash App and then tap your profile at the top right corner and then scroll down and tap Resend Confirmations Email. Step 4. Ensure stable internet connections. Make sure you have a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Step 5. Wait up to 10 minutes. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for that email to arrive before taking further step. Step 6. Disable your email filters and security software temporarily. So turn off any firewalls, spam filters, or security apps briefly and check your inbox again. Step 7. Use a different email address if need. So update your Cash App email to a common provider like Gmail or Outlook and resend the verification email. Step 8. Contact Cash App support. So for that, all you have to do is open your Cash App, then tap your profile icon and then select support and then search for verification email and follow the help instructions. And that's it. If this helped you to get verified, hit like, subscribe, and comment for questions below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.